Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mint margarita juice. Start by muddling fresh mint with sugar and lime juice in a sturdy shaker until fragrant. Add 2 Oz tequila, 1 Oz triple sec, and 1 Oz simple syrup, then shake with ice. Strain into a salt rim glass over fresh ice and garnish with a mint sprig. Taste and adjust sweetness or acidity before serving to balance the mint and citrus flavors. Measure and prep all ingredients so your process stays smooth and fast. Use fresh lime juice for bright acidity and a good Blanco tequila for a clean agave note. Simple syrup keeps sweetness even. Try 1 Oz to start, then tweak. Keep mint chilled and remove large stems to avoid bitterness. Use a coarse salt rim for contrast or sugar if you prefer a sweeter edge for guests. Focus on technique to make each glass balanced and refreshing for everyone. Gently muddle until aromatic but not pulpy, then add spirits and ice and shake briskly for about 10 to 15 seconds. Fine strain to remove tiny mint bits, which keeps texture silky and presentation clean. Serve over fresh ice with a mint sprig and lime wheel for a professional look that tastes bright and refreshing with every.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.